after that, I drove to Jensan. Same day, pumunta ako sa Jensan para instructionin yung Batang Pinoy because alam naman natin, security, opening ceremonies, game teacher, in-inspect na natin, and then, so far so good. It will be very big, 21,000 athletes. You can just imagine, kasama ang mga magulang, baka 40,000 yan. Maybe there will be 60,000 guests in Jensan. So we need all the support, and we need to focus on everything, including mga security arrangements natin.
Kasi mga how did the earthquake affect the venues?
Wala namang damage. So far so good. Yes, they are safe. They're safe. So all systems go tayo sa opening ng Batang Pinoy sa October 25.
International on my end, SEA Games, any updates you can give us?
Ayun, ay tuloy-tuloy rin yun. So many national teams are abroad training. No? Nakafocus tayo dyan. Sabi ko nga, we're sending 1,600 athletes, the biggest in the history of the Philippines. Why? Let me explain that very well. Because sometimes you send athletes and then yung pressure mo is for them to win medals. But SEA Games is the first step towards the development of an athlete. SEA Games yung unang hakbang para makalaban ng gusto yung mga atleta natin. If we don't give them a chance sa SEA Games, kailan natin sila bibigyan opportunity. So yung 1,600 na yan, nag-i-invest tayo para magkaroon sila ng magandang exposure, nag-i-invest tayo para magkaroon sila ng confidence, at ang resulta niya, mas maraming medalya para sa Pilipinas. If not now, in the very near future.